Wash and chop the fresh herbs and garlic, then set them aside. Grate the potatoes and set them aside. In a bowl, whisk 3 eggs with 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, black pepper, red bell pepper, and salt. Add the chopped herbs and garlic, 1 tablespoon flour, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well and set aside. In a separate bowl, whisk the remaining 3 eggs with the remaining turmeric, black pepper, red bell pepper, and salt. Add the grated potatoes, 1 tablespoon flour, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well and set aside. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit, and grease a baking dish. Pour the herb mixture into the prepared baking dish and bake for 5 minutes. Remove from the oven and sprinkle barberries and chopped walnuts over the herbs. Pour the potato mixture on top and bake for another 20 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy your delicious 2-color stuffed vegetable Kuku.